Hey, Dallas, are you eating cake?
He's at Florida's first birthday.
He's eating Mimi's cake. Must be good. Look at him, he's wolfing it down.
He said good.
Say hi, Drew. Taking a video.
Say hi, Dada. Dada. Say Dada. Come on, say Dada for the camera.
He's like, I'm too interested in the cake.
You say Dada every other time.
It's got the frosting. It's got the frosting on it, too.
Num num for the baby. Num num for the baby. You know we're gonna take him outside to get that. Like, we have to roll this out to
Spray it off.
No, like to get him out of there.
Because of the crumbs? He's looking in the camera while he's eating. He's like, good stuff. Here, let me make it to the middle so you can grab it.
That's fun. Just chowing down.
I knew he would like it.
So cute.
Yeah, we're laughing at you. What do you need, a spoon? You want me to feed it to you?
My aunt, she was yeah, there's no doubt about this one. She was like, you can definitely tell this one's $1.
Why?
She just said it. Just make that comment. Hurt me and scared me.
Good cakey. Spoon feeding him the cake.
Homeboy's gonna be bouncing off the wall.
Does that mean it's good? Clap. Yay, Dallas. Yay, Dallas. Want me to get you some more? Okay, turning off to the video. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. There's the kitty. Kitty, kitty. There's Drew laying on the couch, as usual. Dallas still wolfing down his cake. You're completely drenched in cake. Dallas. Really? Oh, you're flinging cake all over the floor, Dallas. Alright, bye-bye. I'm turning off the camera. Bye.